Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Zach Mac here. Today, I'm going to be presenting you with the ultimate OBS tutorial. Now first of all, to get this tutorial started, we're going to go to the settings menu. You can click over here, or you could do my preferred method, going up here to file and clicking settings. Now, we're going to go to output. Copy my settings over here. Now, you might be asking, why don't you use the last option, lossless quality? It has no lag. But look, it even gives you a warning. It gives you tremendously large file sizes. And indistinguishable quality's bitrate is 13,000. The reason how I know this is I used VLC, the program, to check it out. And if, believe me or not, lossless quality has a 600,000 bitrate. So it's not really what you're gonna go for. 3 10-minute videos of this baby, and it already filled up my entire storage. And whew, what the hell is this? So don't pick this if you want to record long videos. I really don't recommend it. Now go to audio, copy these settings. You don't have to change anything here, just if it's over here like this, just change it to here, because this is a more high quality sound in my experience. Go here, put these to your max resolutions. Max. This is just my settings. If your PC can't handle it, or if you want to go for a different resolution, then you should really test out your settings. I'm just giving you the settings I have because I really have a buff computer. And yes, hotkeys, this is your preference. And advanced, just copy these settings. Your color space might be 601 and partial, set to 709 and full. It really gives a variety of colors that you could record with, and hit apply. Now let's have a test recording. Hi guys, this is a test video of the OBS tutorial I am recording. See you. Now let's go here, show recordings. Hi guys, this is a test video of the OBS tutorial I am recording. See you. So as you can see, that was pretty cool. Let me do one more. So I'm just gonna record, and I'm gonna move stuff around on my desktop. See, look. Move this here, move this here, move this here, move this here. You just gonna wanna move things around to test your things. Oh no, oops, wrong. Okay, just gonna wanna move things around. Yeah, probably don't wanna do this, it's a little messy. Stop recording, let's see the video. Record, and I'm gonna move stuff around on my desktop. See, look. Move this here, move this here, move this here, move this here. You just gonna wanna move things around to test your things. Oh no, oops, wrong. Okay, just gonna wanna move things around. Yeah, probably don't wanna do this, it's a little messy. So, yeah. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed, please smash like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.